Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Create the Heart, and I'm back with a project share. So I'm using Sweet Friends. I'm also pulled out my Concord and Ninth Plaid background stamp. This is one I don't really use very often, but I am trying, to kind of branch out, do some different things, use some different products, especially things I already have in my stash. Just because sometimes you kind of experience sort of burnout, or you kind of, you get used to make the same projects and you just don't feel inspired. So sometimes it's good to make different things. I also used my favorite tag die, which is from CC Designs. If you follow my channel, I do quite a few projects with that tag die. So I'm going to show you. I'm using various papers, Valentine's papers, because they're on my desk right now. I haven't put away any of my Valentine's Day stuff. So I have those papers out, and so here is the first card I have. I think this is My Mind's Eye, or Simple Stories, I think is what this paper is. But anyway, here is the project, the first card. So I layered some different papers. I used my scallop punch, and then I have my cute little Sweet Friends from Fawn, stamped, colored with Copics, and then I used these really cute puffy hearts. I got those from Michael's. They're Reflections little product. And here is my next card. This one is inspired by a card on Pinterest. I don't recall who made this. It might be a Lawn Fawn design team member. I think that's a really cute. Sorry, it's got some problems with the focus there, but same thing, color these all with Copics. A lot of times what I'll do is I'll stamp a bunch of images out, I'll color them in, cut them out, and then have them ready to go for projects. It's kind of what I've been doing just because I don't have a lot of time, so I've been doing projects kind of in stages. So there's that one. And then these two cards are very similar. They're a similar layout. This is where I use that plaid stamp on pink paper. I used my Concord and Ninth heart dies, did a little bit of stitching, and then I've got my cute little Sweet Friends there. And this sentiment, I don't know where I got that sentiment from. It is a die, and I've had it in my stash for a while, not exactly sure. But that paper, I had just did a haul for that glitter paper, and it is a tonic product. And then here is my cute little tags. I had one little guy left that I wanted to make into a project. And so this Hugs Die, I believe, is Lawn Fawn. And I just used a lot of the papers and stuff from the other cards, just the scraps, to make my cute little tag. It just says Hugs. Got my little guy there. And then the back is plain, so you can write a sentiment, a to from. Easy to go on a little gift. So that's my project share. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Create the Heart.